So this one's burnt out. You can see that. There's supposed to be like a tiny little spring in between those two posts inside there, and it's gone. But this one, this big one, still has the springs on both of them. Looks like the connection is bad. So yeah, so I also am having an issue here. My headlights are coming on. They shouldn't be coming on. I only pulled it out one, so it should be only the parking lights, like over here. Only that should be on, not my headlight. So I got other issues going on too. I should check that out sooner rather than later. I think I just have to clean up inside there where the bottom of this is touching to all right, so it looks really good now. I don't have the headlights on, or parking lights on, but it seems to be working now. What I did was I cleaned up below it. I cleaned up those. I scratched them with my Phillips here pretty good, so it gets a better contact. Scratch those up too. Seems to be working pretty good. Let me see what happens when I turn my headlights on. Oh. I think I'm getting power stolen from these headlights. They shouldn't be coming on. Just wiggle it a little bit. I gotta get in the wiring and look at that. But that bulb works. So I'm gonna button that. I'm gonna put the cover back on, and I'm gonna open up the trunk here and look at the wiring, which is right in this area. Messing with any of this, unplug your battery. Okay, you pull the wrong one, stuff's gonna start getting hot, melting wires and stuff, and that's not good. Tip of the day. So this looks like this group of wires is coming from my light switch. So I follow these to the fuse panel and look for those. See why when I pull on the parking lights, my headlights come on, because they shouldn't. So I got got it out of here finally. Made it way easier to do this. But so I ended up having to pull all of them off. They're all like in the wrong spot. This black and yellow one is power from the key. This red one is to the fuse block. This black, white with black is for the dimmer switch, dimmer relay, and this one is for, what's that for? Oh, the parking lights. So it had the parking light one up here with this one. So that's why my headlights were coming on when I turned my parking lights on. And then this little one is supposed to be here for to be able to dim the lights, my dash lights. But I don't know, something's wrong with that one. It don't work. So I plugged it in there on an unused terminal. And when I turn my headlights on, when I turn my lights on, there's lights. So that's better. Now I don't have my headlights coming on when I turn my parking lights on. And one step in the right direction. I gotta make a notch in this thing. Probably, I don't know if I'm gonna flatten the edges so I can grab it better with pliers or something, or just make a cut straight across with something, because it was real soft and it didn't want to come out. So yeah. Well, upon further review, this one for the dash lights, putting it on this terminal only works on the first click for your, when you have your parking lights on. When you pull it all the way out for your headlights, when it's darker, it goes off. So, and then I plugged on to this one and it does nothing. So I can't put it on here because this is hot power to this all the time. So they would be on all the time, even with the key off. So that's no good. I'm guessing this is just, I need a new light switch if I want my interior lights to work. Maybe that's why they had it wired up that way.